Your mind can make you sick or healthy. It depends upon its uses, how to use it. So make sure use it in positive way, so it keeps you always healthy. How to keep your mind healthy throughout your entire life? If I only shared the health tips to maintain your physical health only, and not shared the health tips to keep your mind healthy, or mental state or mental level healthy, then my purpose to serve you the holistic approach to keep you healthy will not be fulfilled. So I decided to make the whole series of 7 videos to make you physically as well as mentally healthy. And in this video, I am going to give you 3 very practical tips to use in your day-to-day life. So let's get started. I am Dr. Vandana Saraf, MD Ayurved in Medicine and Associate Professor in Medicine Department of Government Dhanvantri Ayurved College, Ujjain, and also Ayurvedic dermatologist. And I have been practicing since 15 years in the same field. If you are new in my channel, I talk about the health care, skin care and hair care, and on provide the home remedies and Ayurvedic solution to day-to-day life problems and many more diseases. If you are interested in all that, please press the subscribe button down below and also press the bell icon, so whenever I uploaded video you will always get notified. So let's get started. My first tip is change the way you think. If you are thinking in the same pattern, you will suffering from the same disease. So you have to start thinking differently about your thoughts or about your lifestyle. How to do this? You have to start writing only 1 or 2 sentences which should be positive or about yourself or your life which you want to live, and then start repeating it more often throughout. The way is to listen a very good or positive materials in the form of textbook or in the form of audios. Nowadays so many audios are available in so many platforms like YouTube itself, a very good platform to listen so many audio books. So you can start doing this only by doing 2 things. Write 1 or 2 sentences daily about positive about yourself, and what happened if you do all those things, your body start releasing a good hormone, so you will feel very happy throughout the day. And this is the very easy and practical way to start your journey to keep your mental health up to highest level. So my suggestion is that start doing both things. Start writing 1 sentence daily positive about yourself, like I love myself, or I always take care of myself, and listen some positive affirmations or good self-help book from any platform. And the second tip is to understand and listen to your body. Do not ignore the feeling and emotions of your body, because they are the only which can create the positive impact on your body or negative impact on your body. So start listening to your body, start feeling the emotions, whatever the emotions you are feeling, whether it's positive and negative, you have to at least identify it. Is it positive or negative? If it is negative, stop thinking in the same pattern which I already said, and start something doing positive. And how to listen or how to understand your body? By just sitting silently and remember all those things which can create your current condition. You will definitely get some of information, and you will definitely get the right emotions or right feeling for your this condition. And how to get rid from this problem? Only doing one thing. I'm going to suggest, take only one action per day which you want to do for since long time of period, or you want to love to do this. Like a simple thing, you have to take care of your body by doing so many practices, or if you want to do something like writing work or whatever the work you want to do, but you have to take action to do this work, and definitely this action will create a different chemical changes on your in your body and on your physical body too. And definitely this action will secrete some good hormones in your body, and your recovery will start very soon. My third and most important tip is that stop repeating your problem again and again. And this is very common problem which I face in my day to day OPD practice. Many of my patients are repeating their problem again and again and again. Even they are not willing to dissolve their problem, and they are not willing to listen our suggestions. So first you have to relax yourself and give the full time to listen their problem. Listen very carefully. The solution is very simple. You should not say again. Yes, you can explain it one time or two time, but you should not say it again and again, because it can create the bad impact on your body. So first say something very positive or good about yourself, like you have to give thanks to your own body, which has a which is very intelligent and which has a infinite healing power within yourself. So you have to start to give thanks to your body, like I'm very grateful and thankful for my healing power of my body and all the facilities you get from your medical advisor or from your medicines. Then definitely you will recover very soon from your any kind of mental diseases, and also these kind of things will maintain your mental level healthy. I hope you enjoy all three tips, and I'm looking forward to start using one, two, or three any kind of activities. If you will find these videos informative, please like, share, and subscribe. And this is all about for today's video. I hope you enjoy my this new series. If you like, please comment me. If you want to see this kind of video more, than comment me, so I understand what people really wants to listen from us. So I will try to give it to you. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and healthy, and goodbye for now.